wildfire smoke along the Front Range. That said, Mackenzie, the air is not as bad in most areas today as it was yesterday. Sun will go down this evening at 6:31. Sunset keeps getting earlier and earlier as the days continue to grow shorter. Now, technically, we have clear skies because there's no cloud cover on top of us, but that's far from clear. There's all the smoke. 78 at DIA, 77 degrees downtown, and Ronald, one of our weather watchers, checking in this midday from Lakewood with 75 degrees. That's already warmer than our normal high temperature in the afternoon this time of year. We typically only get into the upper 60s here in the early part of October. We've been above that since Sunday. Sunday's high was 83, 4 degrees above normal, or just 4 degrees shy of the record, I should say, certainly above normal. On Monday, we hit 83, 3 degrees shy of the record. And then yesterday, we hit 87 degrees in Denver, tying the record from 1975. Today's record is also 87 from 1934. And I think we may do it. We may tie a record here this afternoon if we get enough of this filtered sunshine. Could do it again tomorrow. Could make this 3 in a row with 87 degrees, which again, for October, is quite warm. Tomorrow's record is 85, way back from 1910. Most of our record highs, regardless of what time of year it is, are not that old. A lot of the record lows are, but a lot of the record highs are not. So it just goes to show how unusual it is to be this warm this late in the season. Wildfire smoke plumes, again, they're in the moderate category. You see the yellow here. We have heavier smoke in some areas over here in Weld County and out onto the eastern plains. In fact, places like Lyman may actually see a little more smoke this afternoon compared to what we get here in Denver. Most of the smoke originating from the Mullen Fire, Cameron Peak Fire west of Fort Collins as well. So we turn on the light smoke plumes, the green, you can see that covers the entire state. So even in areas where the smoke perhaps isn't as thick, there's still smoke in the air, and it looks like some of the worst of it could be out on the eastern plains here this afternoon, where temperatures will come close to 90 in many spots. 89 in Burlington, 91 in LaHunton, 93 in Lamar. So not only will we approach a record here in Denver this afternoon, we'll likely break at least a few records on the eastern plains. In the mountains, highs in the 70s for the most part, at least below 9,000 feet. You get above 9,000, some of those higher mountain towns like Leadville in the 60s today. We'll top out in the 80s on the western slope. So we mentioned the clear skies. There's no moisture on top of us. All we have is smoke, turning the sky white instead of blue. High pressure is directly on top of us. High pressure promotes sinking air. We need rising air in order to get clouds or precipitation. We will not have that until the second half of the upcoming weekend. That's when this storm system comes out of the Pacific Ocean, brings some much needed rain to the west coast, and then eventually brings some moisture our way. Now, there are different weather models we can look at. This is one of the more aggressive models. It's the European model, and what it does is really digs this low down to the south toward the San Luis Valley. If this happens, that means a really good chance for rain and snow in the mountains and hopefully at least a few showers here in the metro area. Moisture, no matter what, will be more limited at lower elevations east of the divide compared to the mountains, but still, we'll take anything we can get. We can also guarantee it will be cooler for everyone in Colorado next week. Let's head down to the Gulf of Mexico real quick. We're tracking Hurricane Delta here this midday. Maximum sustained wind at 100 miles per hour here on this Wednesday afternoon. It's moving over the Yucatan Peninsula. It's currently a Category 2 hurricane. It's expected to strengthen into a Cat 3, and it could make landfall on Friday somewhere along the Louisiana line, Louisiana Gulf Coast here as a major Category 3 hurricane. Although every track from the Hurricane Center keeps pushing this thing farther west, and now they're saying at least a chance that it could actually hit a part of southeast Texas there. So we'll continue to watch that. Just yet another tropical system that'll have a big impact on the Gulf Coast. 87 back here in Denver today. That would tie the record. 87 again tomorrow. That would break a record. Friday 85, Saturday 84, and then the cooler air starts coming in on Sunday. We drop down to 74, and then we drop another 10 degrees as we get into Monday, down into the lower 60s. And right now it looks like every day next week could be below normal with temps in the lower 60s. So Mackenzie, if you're looking for fall, have patience for 4 more days.
I'm looking forward to it.
Next week.